Buy or die. No, that's stupid. No money in jingle writing for me. I would rather paint than clean things. That's the truth. No, I'm not alone. Come on, y'all. Someone said, do you want to scrub this door down to get it clean, or do you want to throw paint over it? I would say paint every time. But I did try to scrub it off because I ain't got time for this. They're about to load these chairs. I painted these with chalk paint 4 years ago. They've held up beautifully. They were red. I'm gonna go with the material, like a really pretty red. But I love the palm trees showing through, so I loved that. These are still, can you see? They're firm to the touch, so it wasn't like they were cushy, but they're still very soft to the touch, like, you know, buttery. It's a beautiful thing. It's a small bathroom. It's a half bath. Okay, doing the best I can. But this looks suspiciously like bohemian blue, which means that's all Kristen. Oh, this is natural wear and tear. Moving an armoire, 500-pound thing through a narrow doorway. Very determinedly. Burst a blood vessel or two. It's very blue-green. Paint pixie brush. You should not technically or typically use a brush this small for an interior door. It makes more sense to have a wider one. I have those, and there will be no brush strokes because I'm very good. Won't take but maybe 15 minutes, if that. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, look at that. So this is true white, so it's much whiter than this. Typically we'll do the inside panels first. If you don't paint, you'll be bored. If you do paint, you'll just be like, ah, now I want to do it. I'm telling you. But I'm gonna bring back that word, look it. Look it. Let's work in sections, and then I'll go across here, inset over here. Perfect size for in here, I gotta say. I'm ambidextrous. I'm gonna go right here. Oh yeah, you can see how bad that looks. Ooh. It's a blessing and a curse being a DIYer. It's cool. I don't have to worry about, oh, we're not gonna get our deposit back because the doors look terrible, because I just painting it. On the other hand, I'm painting it, and I need to be cleaning it. A non-DIY, brand new decor thing. New area rug for the new house from overstock.com. I'm excited. Something new for Kristen. Okay, I have it. The secret to not the best tips for packing or unpacking or moving. We've clearly seen I'm not good at that. I have figured out just now how to declutter, what to declutter, because I just unpacked this. I love them. And crystal and things that we've never used and probably never will. And I'm thinking, oh, where am I gonna put that stuff? And then I opened this and went, oh, yay. And I thought that's it, for the most part. When you're decluttering, if you think, if I unwrapped this, if I was like, oh, what's in here? Oh, yeah, I need this. Oh, it's my underwear. Or, oh, it's this beautiful thing I love. Obviously, you keep it. If it's something that's gonna make you go, oh, what am I gonna do with that? Then don't keep it. Life is too short. No idea if this is necessary, but I figure it can't hurt to get this caulk stuff off from around the edge before I shatter it. There goes nothing. Can't find a hammer, so this is good. Maybe because this isn't a hammer. Probably have gloves on, but you know, I should probably, a lot of things. I'm gonna call that a success. And it's about 8,000 pounds lighter, so I can hang it. And biggest victory, I think I got all the glass, slid the paper under the cardboard box. Feeling like I have a tiny little bit of glass in my hand. So don't be an idiot like myself, and wear gloves when you do this. DIY or die. No, that's stupid. Have a hammer, an axe will work. So, okay, that's not blood, marquee. So just a reminder, don't tick me off. Kidding, I'm just kidding. I did declutter a lot of stuff, didn't get to my desk, and look, okay, really? And then look at this one. Look, really? This is wrapped in packing paper, because how else are they gonna wrap all the crap?